Welcome to the Build Your Skills Short Back and Sides Variations collection from MHDPro. In this course, you will learn a variety of men's short haircuts featuring scissor-over-comb and clipper-over-comb methods. On completion, you can download an exclusive CPD Certificate of Recognition. In Lesson 1, Dale Ted Watkins demonstrates a men's basic uniform layer. Dale's second lesson features a salon winner, a traditional short back and sides cut, reminiscent of the 1950s Ivy League crew cut. For Lesson 3, Dale works a scissor-over-comb crop and imparts essential knowledge on working against the grain, working in panels, comb and scissor positioning, and the connection between the sides and the top. In Lesson 4, Stacey Broughton outlines a flat, short, graduated shape with basic barbering techniques, resulting in a neat, tailored backdrop with flexible, movable, overhanging lengths for a diversity of style. And finally, in Lesson 5, Dale Ted Watkins demonstrates the fundamental rules required to create a perfect clipper guard crop, an essential skill for all barbers. Use our See, Do, Stop, Check method to practice, develop and master the skills delivered in the Build Your Skills Short Back and Sides Variations collection. Complete this online course and receive an exclusive CPD Certificate of Recognition. Buy the Build Your Skills Short Back and Sides Variations collection now, only on MHDPro.com. MHDPro, learning at any pace, any place, anytime.